In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in HubSpot. Let's get started by opening up HubSpot and making sure that you are logged into your account. Once you've logged in, you're ready to navigate to the tools you'll need. Firstly, direct your attention to the main navigation bar and click on Marketing. You'll find this on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your starting point for creating a form as it houses all the marketing tools and resources you need. Next, look for the Forms option in the menu and click on it. This will take you to the Forms dashboard, where all your forms will be managed. Once you're in the Forms section, it's time to create a new form. To do this, simply click on Create Form. This option is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to start the form creation process. At this point, you'll want to click on New Form Editor and then hit Next. This step leads you to a variety of form templates. Take your time to browse through these options. Each template can be tailored to different needs, so choose the one that best fits your requirements. Whether you're looking for something simple or more detailed, there's a template for you. Select the template that suits your purpose. After selecting your template, you'll be directed to another page. This is the form editor, and it's here where you have the opportunity to get creative. On the left panel of your screen, you'll notice various features and customization options. Feel free to explore these features. Whether you want to adjust the form fields, change the layout, or add branding details, the tools provided give you the flexibility to make the form your own. Take your time and modify the form to your satisfaction. If you're a beginner, don't worry. HubSpot's editor is user-friendly and designed to be intuitive. Explore and try out different settings to see what works best for you. Once you're satisfied with your creation and have made all the necessary adjustments, the final step is to click on Review and Update. This will save your newly created form and ensure it is ready to use or integrate where you need it. And that's it. You've successfully created a form in HubSpot. This process is straightforward and, with a little practice, you'll become more efficient at it. Remember, well-designed forms are a crucial part of effective marketing, helping to capture leads and engage with your audience. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Enjoy creating your customized forms in HubSpot.